This is 300 grams of whole wheat flour, and now what I'm going to do is straight away add the water first. Okay, like yesterday, we are not going to add the oil first. We'll add the water first to the whole wheat flour. Again, we don't add in one go. We add some of it. I added like only 1/4 of water right now. I'm going to use my hand to just try to get the flour mixed with the water. Okay. As you see that more water is needed. Keep on adding as and when required. This much amount of flour, I think so. I don't know actually how many rotis or how many parathas will give us, but I'm expecting around 6 or 8. That should be enough. Yep. So I'll see you later on after 20 minutes. Okay, welcome back. 20 minutes have passed. This is after 20 minutes. Okay. See, it becomes soft and nice. Easy to work with. But the oil is still less. It's just okay. Now what we're going to do is basically, form this into use this base. Okay, screen is going to oil it right now, and then just slightly, try to make it into a proper dough, right? This is beautiful. And now what we're going to do is basically just bring it close like this into a cylinder, okay? And just make small, like balls, okay? Total we have 6. Like I said, I was hoping for, anyhow, I have 6. So in 300 grams of whole wheat flour, we get 6 parathas. Some might be smaller than the others. Now we're going to grease it with the water. No, not water, please. Never grease it with water or else your entire dough will be spoiled. Grease it with oil. Okay? I was joking about the water. Please don't grease it with water. Otherwise you'll start leaking. Okay? Just grease it with oil. Okay, now we're facing the skillet. I'm going to take this paratha. Okay, place it on my hand and then slowly dump it on the skillet. Right? Now it requires skill, which I lack, as you can see, to straighten it out. Okay. Now we just have to see to it that it will not get stuck. That is given. You can see the bubbles forming on top of it. That means it has begun to cook. There you go. You can use your hand also, but be careful. It's very hot. This is better now. I'm just going to just basically flatten it now. I'm going to flatten it now. Okay. The thing is, I basically, made it extremely big. There you go. Beautiful. Now, if you want, you can add more oil on top. Okay. But I'm not going to do that. I'll show you why I use the cloth. I use the cloth for this, so that it's cooked evenly on the edges also. Right? If you put on the edges also, you can see the heat is escaping from here somewhere and from here. Right? You press where the heat is escaping from, and it starts to bubble properly. Right? So just flip. There you go, people. Beautiful, beautiful. Reduce the flame. Okay. And now, again, just that's it. This is made. Reduce the flame. Take it out. See, this is made. So that's nice also. Okay, let's go for the second one. Yeah, this is more better. Perfect. The second one is perfect. Sorry, the camera wasn't in the center. I mean, not focusing well on the, what do you call that? There you go, people. This is beautiful. And I think we need more oil. Okay. Right. And I'm going to just use the cloth. This is extremely hot. Raise the flame slightly. Add the oil. There you go. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is increase the flame and just reduce the flame, flip and see. There you go. Perfect. It is made. Okay, people, the parathas are ready. 6 of them are made. That's the color. Nice, well made. Excellent job done. Thank you, sir. Excellent job. I pat myself every day on the back. Pat myself on the back. All right. Have a great day. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your food. God bless you all. Stay safe.